In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 400 on Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So basically, this error happens is due to your browser is sending bad or corrupted data to the website. So I'm going to run through a step-by-step guide on how to do this, going by the most common fixes first. So the first fix is to refresh the page. So sometimes it's just a temporary hiccup. So on your keyboard, go ahead and click on Control and F5 at the same time, and that's going to refresh your page. It's going to do a hard refresh, or you can go ahead and close the tab and reopen it. Now the next fix is to check the website URL. So just go ahead and check it. A tiny typo can trigger this error, so make sure the URL is spelled correctly. Remove any weird characters like question marks and symbols, and if they don't belong, try open the site's homepage instead of a deep link as well. Fix number 3 is to clear cookies and cache for Chrome. So click on the three dots, click on the settings. On the left hand side, we've got these different tabs. Click on the privacy and security. Now under privacy and security, go ahead and delete browsing data. Now inside of here, you can uncheck browsing data and make sure cookies and other site data is checked, and cached image and files. Make sure you have chosen all time as well, and then go ahead and click on delete data. Fix number 4 is to open the site in incognito mode. So to do this, click on the three dots, click on new incognito window, and then put in the site here. So this basically helps confirm if extensions are cookies are the problem. And now talking about that, we can come back here, get into our extensions. So manage extensions, disable all these extensions, and then try again. And now if it does work, that means one of your extensions is causing the problem. So just come back here and enable extensions one by one, refresh the page to see which extension is the culprit. Now talking about extensions as well, make sure we've got or disabled any VPNs or script extensions. So these often trigger the 400 error. Another fix we can go ahead and have a sus is go into search, type in the settings. Once settings opens, we want to go ahead and make sure our Windows is up to date. So check for updates and download, install them, and restart your PC if there is. And also time and language. So click in the date and time, make sure these both are set automatic. So set time zone automatically and set time automatically is enabled. Now, the last fix here I suggest is go ahead and open up a different browser. So go to Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Brave, whatever, and see if it works there. If it works there, that means you got Google Chrome related issues, and I suggest reinstalling Google Chrome if that is the issue.